guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and this week I have another tote and carry review. I bought this for myself for Mother's Day, so I'm going to show you what I got. So if you don't remember my last video, I purchased this particular beautiful purse. If you haven't seen the video, definitely check it out right now. But yes, I love tote and carry. If you don't know, I have been purchasing quite a few things from them. So this one here is my new baby. So here we go. I always love the packaging. Love the carrying packaging to cover your item. I'm gonna open it up. So you ready for what I got this time? So I got the gray leather mini totes. Like I told you guys last time, the other one was quite large, so I wanted to get a smaller size. So this is the smaller mini tote, the G3. It is in gray. Okay, if I can get out this bag. Okay, here we go. So this is how it looks. Don't you love it? It's like the perfect size. This is the size I really wanted. So yeah, again, this is the difference for you guys who don't know. This is the medium. This is the small. The small to me is like a perfect size, just taking stuff on the go. Again, large is, the medium isn't bad. It's just, I like smaller ones, just, picking up and go. So I got the gray. So yes, it's beautiful. Let's check the inside. Oh, my favorite color, of course, red with the strap. You guys, definitely buy from Tote & Carry. Again, it's, it's vegan. It's great quality, it's beautifully displayed, and it's luxury. Why not travel in luxury? Living in luxury, travel in luxury, and it's vegan. So yeah, I just want to share what I bought. I love it. I absolutely love it. Definitely going to be rocking it this summer. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Definitely buy something from Tote & Carry. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.